When it comes to defending their families, the Rottweiler and Belgian Malinois are two breeds that excel in loyalty, strength, and courage. Both are well known for their roles as protectors, but which one stands out as the ultimate defender? The Rottweiler, with its powerful build and fearless nature, has been trusted as a family guardian. On the other hand, the Belgian Malinois is praised for its agility, sharp intelligence, and versatility in high-stakes roles like military and police work. Welcome back to Doggy Pedia, your trusted source for all things dog-related. Let's dive into the unique qualities of both breeds and find out who truly earns the title of top defender. Breed history. The Belgian Malinois, originally bred in the Belgian city of Malines, is one of 4 closely related herding breeds, alongside the Temperament, Lacanois, and Groenendael. Known as the Mal, these dogs gained fame for their world-class work ethic, herding sheep and cattle. After a dip in numbers during the World Wars, they made a comeback in the 1950s and 60s. Today they're recognized by the American Kennel Club and are admired as police, military, and protection dogs, while also making loyal family companions. Ranked 33rd in popularity in 2023, these dogs are always ready for action. The Rottweiler's roots trace back to the Roman Empire, where their ancestors were used in battles against Germanic armies. Once the Roman Empire collapsed, these hardy dogs found their way to the town of Rottweil, where they became known as the butcher's dog, helping to herd cattle and pull carts. Over time, Rottweilers gained a reputation for being strong, dependable police dogs and loyal guardians. Officially recognized by the American Kennel Club in 1931, the Rottweiler now ranks as the 9th most popular breed in 2023, proving that their versatility and strength stand the test of time. Temperament. When it comes to their personalities, the Belgian Malinois is all about dedication and drive. As a natural-born working dog, they thrive when given a job to do and are fiercely protective of their family. They're loyal and affectionate with their owners but tend to be wary of strangers, making them excellent watchdogs. However, without early training and socialization, their protective nature can sometimes lead to aggressive tendencies. Their high energy and strong prey drive also mean they might not always be the best fit for homes with small children or pets, though with patience and proper introductions, it can work out. Rottweilers, despite their tough guy image, are big softies at heart. They're known for being calm, confident, and deeply affectionate with their family. Don't be surprised if your Rottweiler tries to cuddle up, completely unaware of their size. They're naturally protective and loyal, but a well-trained and socialized Rottie will never be aggressive without a good reason. Though they may take a little time to warm up to new faces, they're smart and adaptable, always keen to please their humans and protect their home. Training. The Belgian Malinois is an intelligent, strong-willed dog that thrives with an experienced, confident owner. They love having a job to do, but their determination means they can be a handful if not properly trained. Early training and socialization are a must to prevent any unwanted behaviors, especially since their natural instincts for chasing and biting can become problematic without guidance. The good news, they're quick learners and eager to please, making them more responsive to training when done with consistency and care. Rottweilers, despite their tough appearance, are smart and gentle, but can be a bit stubborn. They love making their humans happy, so training is usually a breeze, as long as you stay firm and consistent. Early socialization is crucial to prevent any anxious or aggressive behavior towards strangers. While Rottweilers need a strong leader to set clear boundaries, they respond best to positive reinforcement, such as giving them treats and praise. Remember, patience and confidence are key to earning their respect and guiding them into well-behaved companions. Suitability. The Belgian Malinois is not your average pet. They need an owner who's up for a challenge. This breed thrives with someone experienced, active, and ready to commit to daily training and exercise. Malinois do best when they're the center of attention, but with the right training and early socialization, they can sometimes learn to coexist with other animals. If you're looking for a dog who loves to work and keep busy, the Malinois might just be your perfect match. Rottweilers, on the other hand, are big-hearted, gentle giants who need a confident, consistent owner to guide them. While their size and strength can be intimidating, a well-trained Rottie is loving, loyal, and a great family dog, especially around children. Although not the easiest breed for first-time owners, Rottweilers can thrive in the right home. Just be ready for a lot of snuggles from a dog that doesn't realize they're not exactly lap-sized. Energy level. Belgian Malinois need a lot of exercise to stay happy and healthy. You're looking at a minimum of 60 minutes of intense activity every day, and that's just the start. These dogs love to run, hike, and even tackle agility courses. They need both physical and mental stimulation to keep them from getting bored. Daily walks alone won't cut it. These dogs thrive on tasks and challenges. Rottweilers, while not quite as high energy as the Malinois, still need their fair share of daily exercise, around 60 minutes as well. They might not demand agility courses, but they love a good walk, swim, or trot around the yard. These strong, muscular pups can also excel in activities like herding or obedience training, which taps into their natural instincts. Just make sure to keep them moving, because Rottweilers can be prone to weight gain. Size and appearance. The Belgian Malinois is a sleek, athletic dog known for its agility and alertness. They stand between 22 and 26 inches, 55.8 to 66 centimeters tall, and weigh around 40 to 80 pounds, 18.1 to 36.2 kilograms. With their fawn or mahogany coats and striking black masks, they have a strong, square build that makes them look ready for action. Their short double coat is designed to handle the elements, and they carry themselves with elegance and pride, always looking like they're on a mission. These dogs are hardy and ready for anything, with a heritage rooted in herding. The Rottweiler, on the other hand, is the heavyweight of the two, standing 22 to 27 inches, 55.8 to 68.5 centimeters tall, and weighing anywhere from 80 to 135 pounds, 36.2 to 61.2 kilograms. They're all about power and strength. Their black coats with rust or mahogany markings give them a serious and intimidating look, especially with their muscular hindquarters. Despite their tough appearance, Rottweilers are agile and have impressive endurance. Their robust frame hints at the strong, loyal guardian that lies within, always ready to protect their family with confidence. Shedding and grooming. Belgian Malinois shed throughout the year, but you'll notice a lot more fluff flying around during seasonal changes. To keep your home from looking like a furry disaster zone, it's ideal to brush them at least once a week. During shedding season, you might want to ramp it up to daily brushing to catch all those loose hairs before they turn into tumbleweeds rolling across your living room floor. Rottweilers also shed year-round, but get ready for a big burst of fur at least twice a year when they let loose their extra fluff. Just like with the Malinois, daily brushing during these shedding seasons is a must if you want to keep your furniture fur-free. While you're grooming your dog, take the opportunity to check their teeth, nails, and even their skin, nose, and ears. It's a great way to keep them healthy and happy. Health. The Belgian Malinois is generally a healthy breed, but can be prone to some common health issues. Hip and elbow dysplasia may affect the joints and could lead to discomfort or arthritis over time. Fortunately, reputable breeders often screen for those conditions to minimize risks in their puppies. Additionally, keep an eye out for eye conditions like cataracts and progressive retinal atrophy, PRA. Making regular vet checkups essential for catching any early signs. Rottweilers are sturdy dogs, but also come with health considerations. Their love for food can lead to weight gain, so it's important to monitor their diet and ensure they get enough exercise. Like the Malinois, Rottweilers can suffer from hip and elbow dysplasia, but their size makes them susceptible to other issues like cruciate ligament tears, which may require surgery. Another serious concern is gastric dilation volvulus, GDV, a dangerous condition that causes the stomach to twist. Always keep a close eye on their health, and if you have any doubts, a quick trip to the vet can save the day. Life expectancy. When it comes to life expectancy, Belgian Malinois typically live a bit longer, averaging around 14 to 16 years, while Rottweilers have a shorter lifespan of about 9 to 10 years. Of course, proper care, nutrition, and regular vet checkups can help both breeds live their best and longest lives. Price. When you're looking to bring home a Belgian Malinois or a Rottweiler, the price can vary quite a bit. Belgian Malinois typically range from $2,000 to $3,500, while Rottweilers usually cost between $1,500 and $2,500, depending on their lineage. But before you dive into puppy shopping, consider checking local dog shelters or rescue organizations. You might just find your furry friend waiting for a loving home, and adopting can be a wonderful and rewarding experience. Plus, it's a great way to save some bucks and giving a dog a second chance at life. In conclusion, both the Rottweiler and Belgian Malinois offer unique strengths as top defenders. The Rottweiler is known for its gentle nature and loyalty, making it a great family companion, while the Belgian Malinois stands out for its intelligence and agility in various working roles. Your best choice ultimately depends on your lifestyle, training commitment, and the type of relationship you want with your furry friend. Do you know someone thinking about getting a Rottweiler or a Belgian Malinois? Share this video with them. It could help them find the perfect match. If you have any tips or experiences with either breed, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our future content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.